Welcome back. Yesterday, we crushed the KodeKloud Level 1 Linux challenge, and today we are moving straight into Level 2. Alright, let's read the task. The Nautilus team wants to deploy some automation scripts on all app servers. Here are our requirements. We need to install the cronie package on all app servers. We need to start the cron service. Finally, we need to add a specific cron job for the root user that runs every 5 minutes. I'm SSH into all 3 app servers. Since we need to install packages and modify system services, I'm going to switch to the root. First requirement is install the package. Since these are likely RPM-based systems, I'll use -y install cronie. I'm going to run this on app server 1, 2, and 3. Oh, packages is already installed. Let's check the status of the service. It looks like it's already active and enable, but I'll run for enable command again, just for sure. The -- now flagged is a great shortcut. It enables the service to start on boot and starts it immediately right now. I'll do this on all 3 servers. The package is already installed on servers 2 as well. So let's just repeat what we did earlier. Service is running. Now for the actual job. The task asks us to schedule a job for the root user. I'll type Crontab -e to edit the cron table. I'm copying the schedule from the task description. This syntax *5 means run every 5 minutes. I'll just paste it in. Save, and quit. Let's just repeat the exact steps on all left server 1 and 2. Just to be absolutely sure, the daemon picks up the new configuration. I like to give the service a quick restart. I'll run systemctl restart crond on all the servers. Everything looks good. We've installed the package, started the service, and added the job on all app servers. Let's hit that check button, and there we go, task complete. Cron jobs are a daily essential for any Linux admin, so this was good practice. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Level to Task Solution video. I'll be back tomorrow with next Level to challenge. Thanks for watching.